XFOR stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very quick and brief 1 minute video till the end to find out. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I've documented it all. And especially with X4, well, it's interesting for me because I was looking to take it up, but it was far earlier, and then I missed the timing. No trades got taken because rules never got met, but since now it's pumping already up. It's just that how can I position myself to be a part of this already pumping market? Well, it's easy. I'm not going to force no trades. I'm just going to hope I see a little correction here, and if 5 to 1 minute chart makes sense with a double break confirmation, then only then I'm looking to take it further up. But what I'm not going to do, mate, is just randomly buy, you know what I mean? It's a very quick kind of pull down that I'm waiting for, but it's happened before. Just observing. If you want to stay tuned and get stock picks and emails and insights daily, click the first link in the description. It's free. It's absolutely free. People are paying for this stuff.